true independence is complete. Let me start with a question. What is independence? What does the word freedom actually mean in our lives? Independence means you can stand on your 2 feet and act without needing permission from others. Independence means to be able to think or act for ourselves without being influenced or controlled by others' opinion. Milord, Islam teaches us independence is not just about borders and governments, but it's about feeling your heart and soul free from everything. Milord, but if you still want to know what is independence, what does the word freedom actually mean in our lives, then go and ask from the people of Kashmir what is independence. Then you will realize what we have, people are still sacrificing for. What we have, people are still fighting for. Let me accept it for a while. We are still not truly independent. Then what about the great sacrifices those were undertaken by the Muslim of subcontinent? What about the thousands of soldiers those who stay away from their mothers and stay awake for nights just to protect us? What about the hundreds of girls who lost their chastity just for this country? What about the innocent children those who are ready to sacrifice themselves just for this country? Milord, I accept there are too many problems in my country. I haven't forgotten Priya Kumari, Nazim Jokwe and all. But I also haven't forgotten all this devastation has been caused by the people, not from this country. Milord, the Pakistan, the country Muhammad Ali Jinnah gifted us was not this country. The country Muhammad Ali Jinnah dreamed for was not this country. Someone made this country this, and someone caused this devastation in this. And congratulations, dear ladies and gentlemen, though someone is us. Is the end, I would say. ये नफरत बुरी है मत पालो इसे, ये नफरत बुरी है मत पालो इसे, दिलों में खलश है निकालो इसे. न सिंधी बलोची पंजाबी पठान, न सिंधी बलोची पंजाबी पठान, ये सबका वतन है बचा लो इसे. Thank you for your patience.